Hi friends, good afternoon. Manju here and welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to discuss with you SDLC and STLC, Software Development Lifecycle and Software Testing Lifecycle. So before moving to video, kindly subscribe to my channel SQL Master YouTube channel to get more videos about the ETL testing, SQL and Oracle profiles, interview questions and queries. Okay, so let us move to the things what actually happened in SDLC. So here in SDLC, okay, the software development life cycle, the phase 6 phase involved here. You can see here planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing and integration, and maintenance. So these 6 phases included in the software development life cycle. So what is the first phase here? Planning. So before we get the requirement from client, we must plan here the business intelligence, the plan the according to the project. So the business intelligence know the things about the project and vision and mission. So after this phase it comes to analysis. So business analyst here can analyze the project. So analyze means what actually the project contains, what actually the client requirement is, and how we can analyze this project. So total analysis of project is happening here with the business analyst. So after this business analyst it goes to design part, where the business developer architect, okay, here the design the project in proper way. Okay, so one project means it contains several aspects, okay, several requirements there. So to get final conclusion, final result, final web application result or Android application result or whatever may be, that client want final result up to date and up to correct. So that is why here the developer, okay, the developer architect can design the project here in proper way. To further it can be moved to next process. Next here the implementation will get started under the team lead and the team members with scrum master. The implementation process will get happen. Here the team lead get the client requirement, that is a source target mapping document or FRD document from the business analyst, or you can say the developer architect. Okay, after getting the source target mapping document, it is clearly mentioned in source target mapping document what exactly the client requirement is. Okay, with source and target, the business logics, whatever business logics can be applied here, all the details will be provided here in this phase. So after this testing phase comes into picture. So here what actually in fifth phase, what actually come this one. So software testing life cycle, the again 6 phases included here. The software testing life cycle will come here in testing and integration. The fifth phase itself, fifth phase of software development life cycle itself is called as software testing life cycle. We can see in next slide this one. And after that the maintenance will come here. So after testing whole process was happened, then maintenance will come here, and after maintenance, the sixth phase, after maintenance the product will be going to release to client. Okay, next we move to fifth phase of SDLC, that is software testing life cycle. So what is the mean by software testing life cycle here? It also has 6 phases. In first phase, requirement analysis. Okay, so here the client requirement, that is source target mapping document, or you can say BRD document, or you can say FRD document. Okay, so the what those documents represents here is what exactly the client wants. So here you will be getting the source data and the target data, what, how, in what way they want, and also with business logics, what client has the business logics want to apply by you people. So after this the tester can plan for the test cases. Okay, before the writing test cases, he planned for the test cases, in what way he can write the test cases that should be very efficiently complete the project here. So for that purpose test planning happened here, and then afterwards the test case development. Okay, the tester can write the test cases here under the third phase. So then in fourth phase, environment setup. Okay, what all the necessary environment the tester has to set up, because specification document required here, source target mapping document required here, and the test case efficiency, and what all the necessary documents, okay, prepare for here in this environment setup. Then after fifth phase, the test execution will get happen here. So in fifth phase, tester has to be execute test cases. So when the tester execute test cases, if the actual result and expected result are same, then no issues, he can move further for execution test cases. But if he is getting deviation between actual result and expected result in fifth phase of test execution, then he has to be raise the defect report to the particular developer on the basis upon the call discussion with team lead, client, on-site coordinator and developer. So once the developer fix the issue, again tester has to be retest the case execution, and then he moves, once it is fixed, then he moves to test case closure. Okay, this is the final step here, and he can report to the team lead with closure, test case closure. So this is what the software testing life cycle, which is the fifth phase of software development life cycle. In fifth phase of SDLC, only the software testing life cycle will get happen. Then after it goes to maintenance department, where in a production department, where it can be delivered to the client. So this is what the thing here I want to show you in this video. If you like this video, dear friends, kindly like it and subscribe to my channel, SQL Master YouTube channel, so to get more videos regarding SQL, Oracle and software testing and the ETL testing perspective videos. So I will be with you in next video with more SQL queries or questions or interview questions, and with SQL Oracle concepts. Till that, bye bye, have a nice day, take care.